Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you like to watch, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamo Squad. Today's vlog, y'all, we are heading out of this house. I have an off day because my company switched our holiday off days. So instead of Thursday and Friday, we got Friday and Monday off. So I have a lot of errands to run this morning. I do have to get an oil change. I have to go get gas because your girl gas light is gonna come on any minute now. And I gotta go do some returns. I have to ship off a package from my Poshmark closet. What else? I literally had to put down a whole to-do list because I'm like, I know that I'm gonna forget. And we do have to go to Lowe's today because y'all, I'm finally, after a year of living in this house, I'm finally about to put some blinds up. Like, I have curtains up right now, so, and I have blinds up everywhere else, but it took me forever. I don't know why, but we about to get some blinds for the patio door today. So, yes, we're gonna do that. But I'm finna head out of here. I need to go and get a Starbucks medicine ball. Y'all, I got so many Starbucks gift cards, and I'm finna be getting a medicine ball dang near every day. So, yes, let's go ahead and head up out of here. All right, y'all, so we just got some gas, and the next stop is the beauty supply store because I need to get some more eco style gel because I'm low. Like, I had to, it was so low to where the gel just wasn't gelling no more. If that makes sense. Like, so I gotta go get some more. And then I gotta go make a return to DSW. I gotta go take an Amazon package back to the UPS store. Then I gotta go to the post office. Then I gotta go get my oil change. So it's exactly 10 o'clock, so I got an hour to do all that and then be at the oil change at Mazda at 11 o'clock. So let's see if I can get it done. I know I can get it done. Y'all, why is the Starbucks line always super long? Every single time I come to Starbucks, it's always a line. Like, I'm literally convinced that Starbucks have crack in it. Like, I know I'm be obsessed with this medicine ball, but it's like every single time I come, the line is wrapped around the building. And I really hope that they have my medicine ball. I really do. And y'all look, I got my cup. I'm finna get some water just so I can fill it up. Yes, y'all, they got it. It's literally every single time. Let me roll this window up. Literally every single time I go to Starbucks, either they don't have the tea bags for the medicine ball or they ain't got the honey. And again today, they ain't got the honey, but they got agave. So, which is still good with the agave. But that's so crazy. Like, what the heck? Why y'all ain't got the real stuff? And it's every single Starbucks that I go to. Every single time.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will know what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
like grandma squat? Grandma squat? No.
Yes, grandma squat. Y'all, I'm here at Best Buy and they do trade-ins on cameras. Why they just try to give me $40? $40 for my camera. They crazy.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Personalities, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.
The upgrade. Finally, y'all, the upgrade. Hey, y'all, so I'm back at home. And I know from that last clip, y'all, we got a new camera. Okay, I have to do an unboxing, so hold on. Y'all, so we about to do a little unboxing real quick. Let's see what she looking like. Oh my gosh. Can y'all see? Look at that. This is so cute. This is really cute, okay? Let me prop y'all up. Sit on the floor. Okay, good. Y'all can see me. Y'all. Okay, first off, the camera opens like this instead of flip up, so it's gonna give me a little, y'all gotta give me time to like get used to looking straight versus looking to the side. Let me see. Let's see. Is it dead? Oh, maybe I gotta put the battery in. This is crazy. I can't believe I just bought a new camera. Like, I was not planning on buying a new camera today. Like, this is wild, bro. Ooh, okay, English. Where's Chicago? Oh, Chicago. What? Look at that, y'all. I don't even know if it's focusing. Oh my gosh. Let me take a picture, y'all. Oh. Okay. I gotta switch out because I gotta put a memory card in. Hold on. Y'all! First off, the picture is so... I keep looking to the right. I'm so sorry. The picture is so clear. Oh my gosh, y'all, the picture is so clear. I know y'all can tell the difference between what I just recorded and now. Wow. Yo. Wow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, okay, so first off, this is the Sony ZV-1 vlogging kit or vlogging camera. And I could have got the kit, but I'm like, I'm just gonna order the, I got a lot of tripods already. So I'm gonna end up ordering the gimbal probably from Amazon, which it was literally like $2 cheaper to order it off of Amazon versus buying it in Best Buy. Or I can just always go back and get it later. But oh my gosh. First off, I can't believe I just bought a camera. How much is this camera? This camera, y'all, with tax, $6.95. But I told myself that I wanted, oh, it go to like portrait mode? Oh my gosh. Okay, I told myself that I was gonna purchase a new camera anyway for the new year. So they had the camera on sale, $100 off. The regular price is $749 and I got it for $649, and then with tax, $6.95 with tax. I'm so happy with this purchase. So happy with this purchase. This is wild. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me turn it off because I'm just super geeked right now. I'm so geeked. Okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, y'all, so I like to use a little thumbtack first.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, and I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on.
Y'all, the entry table looks so much better with this new mirror. So cute. All right, guys. The blinds are up. The mirror is up. Everything looks so good. The camera, I'm just like, y'all, this quality, oh my gosh. I just can't. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here because I do need to play around with this camera, watch a few videos on it just to see where everything is at on this camera. I need to go back and watch the episode of Insecure from last night. So I got to do that as well. But I'm going to wrap up this vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed running around with me today because your girl been out since like 9:30 and it's 6:30, okay? So, yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.